you doing today? So, I got a little something that I want to show you that came in the mail. So earlier this month, I was scheduled to go to the Couture convention in Orlando, Florida, and much like other conventions, conferences, vacations, and everything, it got canceled. Well, it didn't get canceled. They switched it to virtual convention. So, and they did the best they could with virtual convention, and it was fun, but of course it wasn't the same as being in person and having all of that fun. So, sorry. Okay. So anyway, so since we couldn't be there in person for convention, they sent us all of our convention goodies. So I'm pretty excited to open it up and see what is inside and show you guys what I got. So I think there's going to be some good stuff in here. Let's take a look. If you don't have these scissors, you really need them. They are non-stick transfer trimmers, but you can use them for other things besides transfer. Obviously I am. Cutting tape and things like that. And you don't have to worry about the sticky getting on your scissors. That's like the worst. Have you ever had a pair of scissors and somebody cut tape or something sticky and got sticky goo on your scissors and it was hard to get off? You don't have to worry about that with those. Okay, so let's see. We've got packing material. We don't want to see that. Nice little note. Your goodies have arrived. Let's see. There's an envelope. I'm not sure what this is. It's got my name on it. Oh, they sent us our badge that we would have worn, you know, on a lanyard or whatever. That's fun. So it says Sandra Feller's ChalkCon a la carte virtual attendee. And then of course it's in one of those little plastic, oops, things. And I just threw it. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, I think I just found the lanyard. Here's the lanyard that it goes on. And it says Couture. It's like a navy blue and it's really soft. That's cool. So I still got a lanyard even though we didn't get to go in person. Let's see, what is this? We have some pretty something, maybe a journal or something. Let's see. Yep. So let me get closer so you can see. It says Couture on it, and I don't know if you can see, but there's like a very faint pattern. I can't get it to show up on there. Little tiny dots in the background. They're kind of grayed out dots. So that's pretty cool. And to go with it, we got a Couture pen. So we have that. Let's see what it does. Black ink. It's nice. Writes well. Then, ooh, look at this. We got some chalk paste. And this is an exclusive for people who attended the convention. And it is Presto Purple. And so it has like some shimmer in it, which I'm trying to get you to be able to see on here, but I'm not sure you can see it. Oh, got a little bit. Over here on the edge, you can see just a little bit that it's a shimmery purple. So that's exciting. I got a new exclusive chalk paste. And this is a backpack. Let's see. This looks really nice. It's embroidered, chalk couture, and it is a really nice one. There's the straps on the back. Got the little zipper in the front. A couple little pockets in here. Oh, it's purple on the inside. Look at that. That really brightens it up. And then let's see. Let's open this zipper. And oh, it's got a laptop thing. Place to put your laptop, and it's padded. It's got a little padding in there to protect your laptop. There's padding on this side as well. That's pretty cool. There's a little slot on the side over here that you can unsnap and put stuff in. Nice. Very nice. I love how they put the bright color in there. Because, you know, when you buy a purse, it is just the worst. When you buy this cute, adorable purse, and then you go looking for something and you can't find it because it has a black liner, and you know, whatever you're looking for is black or dark, and it's all dark inside there and you can't find it. So I love that they put a bright color in there. That was really smart. I'm gonna have to say a lady must have designed that. Okay, let's see. A couple more things in here. We got the brand new Autumn Winter Collection catalog for 2020. I can't wait to flip through the pages and see all the pretties that are in here. New colors, new surfaces, new transfers. Oh wow, look at that little door tag. How cute is that? They got it hanging on a little door. That's adorable. Oh man, sorry. I'm supposed to hold this up so you guys can see it. So many cute things. I can't wait to flip through there. Oh, Halloween's coming up. They got some Halloween goodies in there. I'm gonna see some of those. Season's Creepings with the little skull. Oh, a little potions. Cute. Oh, look at the Beware sign. Looks kind of like a porch sign for Halloween, but smaller, I think. Looks like it's smaller. Wow. Okay, I can't wait to flip through there. And then I also got an exclusive transfer, and it says, I know you can't read it because it's backwards, but it says, it is important to remember that we all have magic inside us. J.K. Rowling. So the magic inside us, that was the theme for the event this year, hence the name of the chalk is called Presto Purple, and things like that. And they had lots of fun videos and stuff that they made for us that were magic themed. So this is really fun. It's pretty awesome to be a chalk couture designer and get a bunch of goodies in the mail. So I hope you enjoyed watching with me. If you have any questions about becoming a designer, just either leave a comment or send me a private message, and I am happy to talk to you about it and tell you how it all works. Or if you prefer, I can just send you a link and you can read all about it. And we can kind of go from there. So if you're interested, or you know somebody who's interested, send them on my way. I love referrals, and I would love to have them on my team. So that's all I have for you guys today. This wasn't my usual craft video. I'm going to do that one tomorrow like usual, and I hope you will return to join me for that video as well. That's it, guys. It's raining here. I don't know what's going on in your world, but we have like a tropical storm or something in the Gulf. I don't know if it's upgraded or what. I didn't watch the news this morning. So it looks like we're going to be rainy for a while. So I'm going to just stay inside and craft. And I hope you guys find something fun to do this weekend too. So good to see you. Thanks for joining in, and let me know if I can help with any of your questions. All right.